Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, we need to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the home button for a couple of seconds, basically until you see the Huawei logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the button. And now you can release it and wait until the watch is done booting. After the watch turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping left and rather up and down, on the screen. Now, find the language you like to use. For example, I'm gonna select English, and to select the language, tap on it, like this. Okay, and now we need to download and install the Huawei Health app on our Android phone. And this is a tricky part, because first we need to download and install the app gallery. So let's open a browser on our phone. We can open any browser, but I'm just gonna use the Google Chrome. In the browser, let's close this tab and open a new one. Tap on search, type in Huawei gallery, or rather app gallery. Download and tap search. Now you should see a link like this: Huawei app gallery, Huawei global, and then the link should be like consumerhuawei.com app gallery, like this. Find this link, tap on it to open the page, and on this page you should see the app gallery for the Huawei. As you can see, now we have the install now button right here. Tap on it. And let's download the application. I already downloaded it before, so it asks me to name it, as you can see, but basically we need to download it. So let's tap on download and download anyway. And once the file is downloaded, you should see the open option. Tap on it to open the file. And now we need to allow the Chrome to install unknown apps. So let's tap on the settings button. It should redirect you to this page. Tap on the switch to allow the installation from the source, then go back and tap on install. And once the app gallery is installed, we can tap on the open button to open it. Now let's tap on next, agree. You can allow the permission or deny it. I'm gonna allow it. Tap on OK, and here we have the app gallery. Now, tap on the search bar, type in Huawei Health, and tap search. You should see this application on the list, Huawei Health. Tap on the install button next to it to start the installation. Again, we need to allow the app gallery permission to install unknown apps, so we need to tap on the settings, tap on the switch to allow from the source. Now we can go back to the app gallery, and the install button is here, so let's tap on it again. And as you can see, the app started downloading. Now let's tap on install. And once the button changes to open, this means that the application was installed. And you can tap on the open button to open it, but I think this one is kind of buggy, so if I open or rather tap on the open button, as you can see, it will not open. So let's close the application and simply open it from the app menu. So swipe up on the screen, find the Huawei Health, and tap on the icon to open the application. Okay, so once you open the Huawei Health application, you will need to select the region, and you can do it by tapping right here to open the list, and now you can find the region you want to use and tap on it to select it. For example, I'm gonna select United States. like this. And once you select the region, you can tap on next. Now let's tap on the next button, agree button. And now we can allow or deny a couple of permissions like health. You can allow it or deny it. Then we can set up the step goals by swiping on the slider and tapping on finish. Here let's tap on OK. And once you're done with the permissions and goals, you should see the health page of the app. Now tap on the devices icon, tap on add, tap on OK, and we need to allow the permission for the location. So I'm gonna tap on while using the app. And as you can see, the application found our watch, the Huawei GT Runner. Tap on link. You can allow or deny some permissions, depending on your preferences. And now we need to tap on the check mark on the watch and on the pair option in the app. As you can see, it says pairing successful. Now we can tap on continue right here, but you can also enable to auto-download update packages over Wi-Fi, auto-install updates and restart device when it's not in use and stuff like that. You can check the boxes if you want, and then tap continue. Here we can enable auto updates again. You can tap on enable or install updates manually if you want to disable the auto updates. And here we can tap on settings to enable some features like notifications, calls can be answered, stuff like. Basically, you can allow the app to run in the background. And you can tap on settings and allow the permission. I'm just gonna tap on done right here and tap on continue. Right here we can enable the notifications for the watch. So basically the watch will be able to receive the notifications from your phone. And if you want to keep them disabled, simply tap on cancel and then done. But if you want to enable them, tap on enable right here. It's gonna redirect you to this page. Tap on the screen, select the Huawei Health application from the list, the health. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access. Then tap on allow. And then you can go back to the application by tapping on back button. And as you can see, now the notifications are enabled, and here you can customize them. You can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch, and you can enable or disable the notifications for specific applications by tapping on the switch next to them. And once you're done, tap on the done button and then tap on OK. Here again, we can allow or deny some of the permissions. For example, some of the permissions are required for the notifications to work, like contacts, SMS, phone, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna allow them. And once you're done with the permissions, you can tap on OK. And you should see the Huawei GT Runner page, like this. And this means that the devices are paired, and as you can see, your watch is ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.